I'm about to show the Weston 22 grinder doing 8 pounds of chicken quarters. We turn this baby on. One chicken quarter. Let's see if I can get lighting on this bad boy. Two chicken quarters. Three chicken quarters. Four chicken quarters. I'm gonna push that a little bit. I use my fingers. It's probably not the safest thing to do, but I kind of scoop it down. This is chicken quarter number 5. And push that down a little bit. And big chicken quarter number 6. My baby's just getting sucked down. A little bit of back. I haven't sharpened this blade in 5 years. Again, I do not recommend that people put their fingers into their grinder. So don't do what I do at home, folks, because you might lose your fingers. But as you can see, I just did, still working a little bit on that last quarter. I just did 8 pounds of chicken quarters in 2 minutes and 20 seconds.